Have you ever pondered the intricate dance that our brains perform daily as they process a multitude of stimuli from our environment and our bodies? This dance is the result of two interconnected processes: perceptual and cognitive functioning. These processes are so intertwined that it's often challenging to determine where one ends and the other begins, yet they are distinct in their roles and functions. On one hand, we have perceptual processes. These are akin to the foot soldiers on the front lines, selecting, integrating, and interpreting stimuli from both our bodies and the surrounding environment. They're the gatekeepers, if you will, deciding which stimuli deserve our attention and integrating them with our already stored information to create a comprehensive understanding of our experiences. On the flip side, we have cognitive processes, the central command of our nervous system, overseeing our understanding and actions. This process encompasses knowing, understanding, awareness, judgment, and decision-making. It's like the general in the war room, strategizing, planning, and making decisions based on the information gathered by the foot soldiers, our perceptual processes. The dance between these two processes is not always a straightforward one. Their roles often overlap, and they influence each other considerably. Some theories see cognition as a broader term, including perception, attention, thinking, and memory. Others view perception as the all-encompassing process, housing both cognition and visual perception under its umbrella. Regardless of the theoretical perspective one adopts, it's clear that both perceptual and cognitive systems play a vital role in our successful interaction with the environment. They're the cornerstones of learning and independence, and deficits in these areas can greatly impact an individual's ability to acquire self-care and daily living skills. Rehabilitation programs, therefore, must address both perceptual and cognitive deficits to maximize independence and functional outcomes. Therapists shoulder the responsibility of recognizing and treating perceptual deficits, adapting their approaches to ensure comprehensive care and support. Cognition is a multifaceted process, involving various mental activities such as awareness, reasoning, judgment, intuition, and memory. Executive functions like planning, problem-solving, and abstract thinking are often considered part of cognition. These functions, sometimes referred to as higher-order cognitive functions or metacognitive functions, are the cogs that keep the cognitive machine running smoothly. Perception, as defined by renowned neuropsychologist Muriel Lezak, involves integrating sensory impressions into psychologically meaningful information. It's not merely being aware of stimuli, a process known as sensation, but it's a more complex process of interpreting these sensations accurately and responding appropriately. Perceptual deficits stem not from sensory abilities themselves, but from difficulties in accurately interpreting sensations. In conclusion, the relationship between perceptual and cognitive processes is a complex and intricate one, yet it's this relationship that allows us to navigate and understand our ever-changing sensory environment. They are the building blocks of our understanding, our learning, and our independence, and their importance cannot be overstated.